Hi, my name is Matt Milmine, and this is for EDT 598, Impact of Emerging Technologies for Unit 6, Blended Learning. I decided this week to show my artifacts by using a program called Screencast. It's free online. You don't need to download anything, which is perfect for me because using a school computer I am restricted and can't download anything. So this is great, and it's actually a secondary tool that I became familiar with this week. My primary and what I'm going to be showing you today is about Edmodo, which I do plan on implementing this school year, and started learning about it very recently, and it's been great. So what you see in front of us here is what I've set up so far on my own thing. As you can see, I have first, second, third hour, so my classes I'll be having this coming school year. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to be showing you my sample class here, which is actually pulled up now, and on it you can put a bunch of posts, and the posts are available to anyone that is enrolled in the class. I have a couple iPads with me that I created sample students with to show this. All that a student needs to join a group is this little link right here. It is a little code. They go to edmodo.com, log in as a student, and use that code, and they're enrolled in your particular class. So if they had several classes using Edmodo, there would be several different links, and they would have several different post listings here for each class. So what I found on Edmodo to be pretty cool is that starting from the bottom here, this is the first thing I did, was I embedded a video, and this is actually the video that I used that helped me learn about Edmodo. It's roughly about 45 minutes, but if I just click on this right here, it will take me directly to the video, and I can watch it. As you can see, 43 minutes. Excellent resource in learning how to use Edmodo. Sammy Sample is one of the students I created. Looking up here to another sample student, Susie Sample. Students can write posts in response to certain things. In this case, Susie is responding to this link right here, working for her on her device. As the teacher, I can respond to the students right here, and additionally other sample students such as Sammy here can also respond to postings. So it does kind of create a little bit of collaboration and allows students to interact not only with myself but with each other within Edmodo. I embedded another YouTube video here. This one is a secondary program that I used just to kind of double check to make sure I was doing everything right, and as you can see, that one's also embedded with a playable video. The next thing is I found out that you can poll your students, and that is by clicking on this poll icon up above here, and when you do that, you can create poll questions. Let's see if I can get this to pull up here. Well, looks like I'm having trouble pulling it up, but at any rate, I can see how my students voted in response to this question here. Can the sample students participate in this poll? And yes, they can, 100%, once again with my two iPads that I've been using to function as my sample. Another feature was a quiz. You can have quiz questions, and for the quiz I put together is just a short 2-question sample. One of them was a short answer, and you can see how the students responded, and the second question was actually multiple choice. So the first question I had was, what is the name of this app? And the students respond Edmodo. Now on the short answer, you actually have to identify whether they're correct or incorrect. And for the second question, it was multiple choice that gets graded on its own. and I can go to the different students in the class, and I can see how they scored or where they got their questions wrong, and this is actually viewable on their end as well. So going back to my home screen and then back to my 598 sample class here. Another thing that you can do is you can post assignments, which is this icon right up here. Sample assignment tells you the number of students that turned in the assignment, where I've uploaded the assignment that students can open up from their own computer, and I can pull up individual students and they can have their responses sent right to me here. I can grade it and give them a score, which is viewable on their end as well. Susie, I used her. She actually had this student upload an assignment that they completed in Google Docs. So you can upload a Google Doc format and look at students' work that way if they prefer to type their work up in a Google Doc. I also decided that it'd be very nice for me to provide students with the agenda for each day. In the event that they're absent, they can still stay up to date with the class even while at home. So I created a new folder that I can push out to any class that I'd like, and this one is just a quick little pop-up for the agenda so that the students can see what we're doing the first day of school, which for me is August 11th. And as soon as this opens, it's just a short little blurb. I'm going to be looking at the syllabus with the students and then introducing them to actually Edmodo is what I'm planning on. And that is my artifact for Edmodo. Found it very, very user-friendly. I don't consider myself pro with it yet, but I'm sure running it with my classes this year will be very effective and quite helpful, not only for me but also my students.